Hello everyone, my name is Julia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this back strap. I made this strap using 2mm polyester cord and this one using cotton cord. The same pattern but different material. To crochet this strap I use cotton cord, 2mm, 3.5mm hook, scissors, big needle and 2 carabiners. I start crocheting the first part of this strap. Make a slip knot. Then chain 1. Insert the hook into the slip knot. Yarn over, pull through. Then insert the hook under this loop. Then I insert the hook under these loops. And I repeat the pattern. I crocheted a strap of the length I needed. You can make it as long as you want. I have 30 loops on each side. So I count by these loops. 30 loops on this side. This is the first loop. And this is the last one. Then the first loop. The last. Don't cut the yarn, leave it like this, and crochet second identical part of the strap in a different color. Second part is ready. Now I'm joining them together. I place them together this way. The tail, the working yarn, the tail, the working yarn of a different color. Turn. Insert the hook under this loop. This is the first loop. I insert under the loop on the side where the working yarn is. Then I make a slip stitch, yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook and chain 1. And I'm gonna insert the hook under these loops. Slip stitch and chain 1, and I repeat the pattern. The last 2 loops. And insert under the first loops, slip stitch, chain 1. And continue till the end. Leave a long tail. Sew on the carabiners. Now I weave in the yarn ends.